I need to share this creepy encounter that happened to me last night. It's got me questioning reality, and I can't shake the feeling that something's not right. So, it's 3:23 in the morning, and I'm jolted awake by my daughter's small voice saying, "Daddy, I had a bad dream." I groggily blink my eyes. I look out of the window, and it's the dead of night. Half asleep. I suggest, "Do you want to tell me about it?" Her response catches me off guard. "No, Daddy." I sit up, now fully awake, the oddness of the situation making my senses tingle. Whenever she has bad dreams, she always sits and tells me about them, and I calm her down. In the dim room, I can barely see my daughter's pale form standing there. "Why not, sweetie?" I asked her, genuinely concerned at this point, because in my dream, when I told you about the dream, the thing wearing mommy's skin sat up, my heart skips a beat. I'm frozen, staring at my daughter, who seems oblivious to the chilling revelation she just dropped. My wife died in childbirth, and my daughter isn't at an age I can sit and explain to her about this. I don't hang pictures in the house of my wife. For a moment, I can't tear my eyes away from her. Panic sets in. I turn slowly, half expecting to see something straight out of a horror movie. The room is silent, except for the sound of my own breathing. A few moments pass and she climbed onto the bed and fell back to sleep. I asked her in the morning about the dream and she said she didn't remember it. I don't know what to make of it. Was it just a nightmare? It must have been, right? Wondering if anyone else has ever experienced something like this.